Introduction, Bike Empire. Welcome to Bike Empire, where we bring you honest and practical insights on everyday motorcycles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Hero HF Deluxe, one of the most trusted commuter bikes on the road. Design and build quality. The Hero HF Deluxe keeps things simple and functional. Its clean lines, compact body, and practical design make it ideal for daily commuting. The bike feels sturdy, lightweight, and easy to handle, perfect for weaving through city traffic or narrow streets. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 97.2 cubic centimeters engine, the HF Deluxe focuses on smooth and efficient performance rather than speed. It delivers reliable pickup, great throttle response, and very low running vibrations. Whether you're heading to work or running errands, the ride remains comfortable and predictable. Mileage and efficiency. Mileage is the real highlight of the HF Deluxe. With impressive fuel efficiency, it helps you save money on every ride, making it one of the best budget-friendly choices for daily riders. Comfort and features. The upright seating position, soft seat, and easy-to-reach controls ensure a relaxed ride. Practical features like electric start, i3S technology in select variants, and a durable suspension setup make the bike both convenient and commuter-focused. Safety and braking. The HF Deluxe comes with reliable drum brakes and a stable chassis that provide confidence on the road. The optional IBS, integrated braking system, helps maintain balanced braking during sudden stops. Final verdict. The Hero HF Deluxe is built for riders who value reliability, fuel savings, and low maintenance over flashy features. It's a dependable partner for everyday commuting and one of the strongest contenders in the entry-level commuter segment. Outro, Bike Empire. Thanks for watching Bike Empire. Stay tuned for more honest reviews and practical bike guides.